1. California. Could California actually become, or should it become, a part of Canada? If it became independent, its economy would rank 5th in the world, surpassing the United Kingdom, India, and even Canada itself. But what sets California apart in just its GDP numbers? It's also the mindset, lifestyle, and values that many people here are embracing in terms of ideology, social policies. While some other states are tightening abortion rights, California is expanding access, even covering costs for women traveling from other states, on gun control. California is also going against the tide. It enforces strict regulations, from firearm registration to limits on ammunition. And when it comes to climate change, where Washington remains divided, California has set a goal of carbon neutrality by 2045, is rapidly shifting to clean energy, and has banned new oil and gas drilling. Has made many people start to feel that California no longer belongs to the rest of America the way it used to. They look north and see in Canada a kindred model, a progressive nation, environmentally conscious, with compassionate social policies, and so the question begins to emerge. Could California actually become, or should it become, a part of Canada? California no longer looks like the rest of America, in any way. They are more like Vancouver than Texas, more like Prime Minister Trudeau than Governor Ron DeSantis. And so, a question is asked more and more. Why should a trillion-dollar economy be subject to decisions from a capital 4,000 kilometers away? And then in 2016, when Donald Trump won the election, something happened. Calexit, that is, California exit seceding from the United States. It's no joke. An advocacy group called Yes California has collected hundreds of thousands of signatures to put the issue on the ballot. Although not successful, they still operate quietly to this day. So, why do people want to leave America, a country that the world calls a superpower? Not just because of politics, not just because of cultural clashes, but because of the feeling of being held back. California contributes the most tax revenue to the federal government, but is rarely treated as an equal partner. When there are forest fires, droughts, and earthquakes, they cry for help, but often receive only slow or politicized responses. People began to ask, we are feeding the whole country, so why are we being treated like rebels? And so a new scenario was drawn. A West Coast alliance of California, Oregon, Washington, along with Canada's British Columbia. A modern West Coast union that is environmentally friendly, respects diversity, has gun control, and most importantly, is no longer dependent on DC. Sounds crazy. But remember, every union in history has had its first breaking point.